Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to talk about motivation, specifically focusing on the importance of staying committed and embracing our potential. Let's dive into an inspiring story that illustrates this theme. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Tommy who dreamt of becoming a millionaire. One day, he decided to seek advice from an elderly gentleman who had achieved his own millionaire status. He nervously knocked on the door and was greeted by this wise elder. The old man replied, "I don't know if I can help you, but let's hear your dream." Tommy shared his aspirations of becoming a millionaire and asked for guidance on how to get there. The old man then said, "Let me see your letter of credit." Tommy was confused, asking what a letter of credit was. The old man explained that it was an empty piece of paper. All Tommy needed to do was write his name on it as $1 million. Tommy eagerly did as he was instructed and handed over the paper. The old man then took a pen and wrote "signed" and "approved" below Tommy's name. This simple act left Tommy in tears as he realized the old man had just given him the millionaire certificate he had been looking for. The old man gently reminded Tommy that while many people have the letter of credit in their dreams or in their wallets, what truly counts is what comes after: commitment, hard work, and discipline to realize their dreams. So remember, my friends, embrace your letter of credit by believing in yourself and your potential. Thank you for joining me today in this motivational journey. If you enjoyed this story and want more inspiring content like this, please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, stay committed and keep chasing your dreams.
Hi, my name is Anasir Rahman Khan. Today I will going to discuss about letter of credit. What is letter of credit? How does work in trade? Key point about letter of credit, its purpose and parties involved. If you have any inquiry, please drop mail. So let's get started. A letter of credit LC is a financial document issued by a bank that guarantees a beer's payment to a seller will be received on time and for the correct amount. If the beer fails to make the payment, the bank covers the full or remaining amount of the purchase. On the other hand, we can say a letter of credit LC is a financial document issued by a bank or financial institution guaranteeing that a beer's payment to a seller will be received on time and for the correct amount. If the beer is unable to make the payment, the bank will cover the full or remaining amount on behalf of the beer, provided that the seller meets the conditions specified in the letter. Key points about letters of credit. Purpose. LCs are commonly used in international trade to reduce the risk of non-payment. They offer security to both buyers and sellers by ensuring that payment is made according to agreed upon terms. Parties involved. Applicant beer, the party that requests the LC, promising payment for goods or services. Beneficiary seller, the party that receives the LC, guaranteed payment for delivering goods or services as per the terms of the agreement. Issuing bank, the beer's bank that issues the LC and guarantees payment. Advising, confirming bank, a bank, often in the seller's country, that authenticates and sometimes guarantees the LC. Types of letters of credit. Revocable LC can be altered or cancelled by the issuing bank or beer without notice to the seller. Irrevocable LC cannot be changed or cancelled without the consent of all parties involved. Confirmed LC involves a second bank confirming bank guaranteeing the payment, adding an extra layer of security for the seller. Standby LC acts as a backup payment mechanism. It's only used if the beer fails to make the payment. Process. The beer and seller agree on the terms of the transaction, including payment via an LC. The beer applies to their bank for the issuance of an LC. The issuing bank provides the LC, which outlines the required documents and conditions. The seller ships the goods and provides the necessary documents to the bank. the bank reviews the documents. If they meet the conditions, the bank makes the payment to the seller. The bureau reimburses the issuing bank by offering a guarantee of payment. Letters of credit facilitate trade by providing trust and security, making them a crucial instrument in international commerce. Thank you all to like and comments and subscribe of 10 Hour School.